TaxDome Kiosk. Transform your in-office client experience. If your firm regularly sees clients in person, TaxDome Kiosk creates a faster, more professional experience for everyone. Instead of printing stacks of documents, hand your client a tablet where they can securely access everything they need. You'll need a tablet, iPad, or Android with the TaxDome Firm mobile app installed, version 3.4 or later. After logging into the app, you'll see the mode selection screen. Choose TaxDome Kiosk to begin. Enter your passcode. This security step ensures clients can never access firm data or other client accounts. Search for or select the client account. Then choose the specific contact who's in your office. If both spouses are visiting together, select both contacts before starting the session. Verify you've selected the correct client, then start the session. The tablet switches into a secure kiosk view just for them. Your client sees their assigned tasks clearly on screen: documents to review, invoices to pay, signatures needed. If there's a document waiting for their signature, they can sign it right there on the tablet with their finger. No portal login, no printed forms. Once they sign, the completed document saves automatically to their account. If the same document also needs a second signature, say from a spouse, just switch to that contact and hand them the tablet. No need to end the session or start over. Let's say they also need to review their tax return. They open the document, read through it, then mark it as reviewed. Keep in mind, this is a local confirmation for the visit. It doesn't update the document status inside TaxDome, so make sure to note their verbal confirmation as well. Now let them pay their invoice. The client sees the full invoice summary with clear payment options. Here's where TaxDome Kiosk really shines. A QR code appears on screen. Your client scans it with their own phone to complete payment securely. No card data ever touches your office tablet. If they prefer to pay with cash or check, you can record that payment manually in TaxDome after the session. Your clients can also scan paper documents directly from the tablet. Using the camera, they capture pages that automatically upload to their profile. No emailing, no USB drives. If they don't finish everything during the visit, they can pick up right where they left off. A QR code gives them instant access to their portal on their own phone, or they can send themselves an email link. When the appointment is done, end the session manually, or it will close automatically after 15 minutes of inactivity. Enter your passcode to return to the client selection screen. This prevents anyone from accessing firm data or jumping into another client's account. Clients can never access firm settings, other clients, or any internal data. If they try to navigate away, the device returns to the kiosk gate automatically. Your firm's information stays completely protected.